in general, AI is going to be this huge enabler that is going to be empowering not only the CFO office, but all of us in general.
One of the leading themes here at Money 2020 Europe in Amsterdam is artificial intelligence and how it is making the world of financial technology faster, more efficient, and safer. Well, joining me now with more on that very topic is Konstantin Dzhengozov. He is the CFO and co-founder of Payhawk. Konstantin, welcome.
Pleasure to be here. Thank you.
It's great to have you here on our New York Stock Exchange set in Amsterdam, and you're going to be taking to a panel during this event to talk about AI and spend management. What is the latest that your company can share on that front?
So we started the company 7 years ago, and back then when we started, our idea was to focus on spend management in general. And our initial idea was to have a simple conversation chatbot that you can interact with, and you can have different dimensions of the analytics of the company being analyzed, or maybe enforce spend controls and etc. But the technology was not there yet. And I think right now the technology is there, and our vision for the CFO office in general is to leverage a lot of the AI agents. We're currently releasing 4 AI agents that are going to be taking spend management to the next level. So imagine having a simple conversation with an AI agent to book your travel, where that AI agent already knows all about your corporate policies, whether you can fly business or economy, whether you can afford a certain hotel or not. And it's a simple conversation when you don't need to worry about the details. Everything is aligned with your corporate process and the rules that you follow. On the other hand, we also launch a controller agent where you basically don't need to chase people for receipts and documents anymore. This is handled by the controller agent. And the controller agent can chase people, it can extract data, it can verify whether the information is correct, and it can flag any anomalies. We're also handling procurement as well, so anytime you're purchasing a new item, you can set and predefine the rules and the policies that you have, and it can be a very easy experience for all the people and all your employees in essence.
Can you quantify the savings that an investment like this makes?
I think the biggest saving is really freeing up people's time to focus on more value-added activities. So I think in general, AI is going to be this huge enabler that is going to be empowering not only the CFO office, but all of us in general to do more. So not focus on the tiny details that are not that value added to your business, but rather have an AI agent that can handle this, and you can be free to be creative, to focus on more value-added activities.
You mentioned some use cases earlier. I want to hear from you as to how spend management is really evolving in the workplace beyond expense reports.
Yeah, I think in general, a lot of people think of spend management as something that is kind of reactive. So it happens after an expense is being made, and it's usually dealing with reimbursements or reconciliation of the expense. But I think this is long gone. I think we are now at a stage where we can be very proactive. So you can track in real time and have the visibility and control of everything that's happening with your company. You can flag anomalies, you can make decisions faster, you can analyze that data faster. And all of this is enabled by the spend management solutions.
And what makes Money 2020 strategic for the merging and coming together, whether it's collaboration, partnerships, conversations alone, of financial technology?
Yeah, I think Money 2020 is in general one of the biggest events when it comes to the whole industry, financial industry or payments industry. And you're here to basically look at what the future holds. What are the trends, meet with partners, meet with customers, exchange ideas, but also share how our future looks, because I think spend management is going to play a very critical role in the CFO office.
And in terms of global business trends that you see, what can you share on that front as we sit here with global leaders all around us?
I think in terms of global business trends, it's pretty much the same. So everybody is excited about the productivity and the empowerment that AI is going to, in essence, bring to the table. So pretty much AI is the dominant talk on whether on local level or global level.
It is the focus point. My final question to you is, where do you want to take Payhawk as the CFO?
We want to become the global leader. We currently serve customers in more than 32 countries, so we have our product live in the whole of the European Union, the US and the UK, but we're just getting started. We want to become the global leader.
All right, Konstantin will be following your journey, of course, at Payhawk. Thank you so much for joining. He's a co-founder and CFO.
Thank you.